Hey YouTubers, good morning, Robb Moffett. Guys, I've been wanting to do this for years. You know I have pickles all the time, and you know you throw out the jar and you've got the pickling juice in there. I always thought, what would if I put some hard-boiled eggs in there, and would they pickle? What would they taste like? I've been doing this. I had like 3 or 4 in there. This is the last one. I thought I'd make a video before this one goes. They turn out to be nice and yellow. This was like about 2.5 weeks. Cut it down the middle. You end up getting like an Easter egg. But the center, the yolk, is still kind of soft. The taste, it's tangy. I wouldn't run home to have pickled eggs, but as a snack, you can't beat it. And as you guys know, I'm the world's laziest cook. You can't get any lazier than just boiling eggs, peeling them, and putting them in a jar for a few weeks. But there you go. If you ever want to make your own pickled eggs, easy peasy. I'll put on new videos every week. I talk with my mouth full. I haven't been doing it for 14 years. By the way, I have a playlist of cooking videos, a couple hundred. Half of them are mine, and half of them are other people that I like that cook much better than I do. You want to check it out. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. There's only like 1 billion people putting on videos on YouTube. That's good. I feel like I'm in a bar. Got to get some peanuts and pickled pig's feet. All right, guys, take care.